Hey everyone, and welcome back to this tutorial. Today we're diving into the world of the social media algorithms and how they can create echo chambers. Ever feel like you're only seeing news and opinions that agree with your own? That's the echo chamber effect, and it's something social media algorithms can contribute to. In this video, we'll break down what echo chambers are, how algorithms work. What is an echo chamber? An echo chamber is when people only hear or see things that agree with what they already think. You see information that confirms your existing beliefs, and opposing viewpoints are filtered out. This can be comforting, but it also limits your exposure to different perspectives. How algorithms work social media. Algorithms are like filters deciding what content you see in your feed. They consider things you've liked, commented on, and even the time you spend watching a video. The goal? To keep you engaged. By showing you content you tend to interact with, they keep you scrolling. But this can also lead to an echo chamber. Let's break it down with an example. Let's say you love dog videos. You watch them, like them, and comment. The algorithm takes note and shows you more dog videos. Great. But it might also hide content about cat cafes even if you'd secretly enjoy them. So social media can be a great tool for connection and information, but be mindful of the echo chamber effect. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.